Well, guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we do have a special unboxing. This is the first ever OVO mask. We got this one from OVO Yorkdale, and it did sell out really fast. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So as you can see, we got the plain black OVO store bag. You get this from going in store at any location. We got the receipt, of course, and we have the mask. So I'm gonna move this bag to the side and let's focus up on this mask. So quickly, before we get into anything about the mask, we got this one from Yorkdale. Retail was $22, non-surgical mask in black, and after tax in Ontario it was $24.86. $22 for the mask, definitely not a bad price. Definitely could have been a lot worse, but again, this did come in a pack of one. So without further ado, let's get straight into the mask. Now, as you can see, it comes in this plastic bag, made in Canada. Good to see that right there. And the key detail on the mask is this tab right here. Flip it around, we got the Fall Winter 20, soft lines, I guess that's the fabric, whatever used. Again, we got the barcode and the SKU. Here is the tag, October's very own non-medical, with the 97% organic cotton. Hang to dry if you want to wash it. Now, taking it on out of the plastic, just gotta slide it out here. And right off the bat, you could see the amazing quality from this mask. We got the single stitching up here, across, and this is the fan style mask. So if you guys could see, it can fan out like that. Turning it around, we have this on the inside. It's kind of like a grayish material. Feels very nice on the face. I'm gonna have some photos of myself wearing the mask. But here is the tab, the owl right there. It's kind of raised, if you could see. This is the tag you'd find on t-shirts and other OVO products. So currently this mask is sold out at Yorkdale, at Square One, and everywhere online. Limited to one per person. It does fit really well. At first it may fit snug, but over time I can assure you it does adjust really nicely. Again though, if you do have a bigger or larger face, this one might not fit you as nicely, but again, they definitely did a good job where they're able to fit many different types of faces. So guys, that was it for the OVO mask. Let me know if you did pick one up yourself or if you took an L. Definitely stay on the lookout for restocks, because it definitely wouldn't surprise me within the next few weeks or month that they come out with more masks. Quickly, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on face, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.